In this video, I'll show you the best Marvel Rivals aim assist settings. These are the settings that work best for me, but feel free to adjust them to your liking. Step 1. Open the Settings menu. Go to Controller, then select Combat. Make sure All Heroes is selected. Step 2. Sensitivity. Set your sensitivity as you prefer. I use 100 for horizontal and 90 for vertical. Step 3. Advanced options. Set aim sensitivity curve to linear. Step 4. Dead zone options. Minimum input dead zone, set to 1. If you have stick drift, increase it slightly. Maximum input dead zone, set to 0. Max dead zone sensitivity boosts, set both to 0. Max dead zone latency response time, set to 0. Max dead zone response time, set to either 1 or 30. I prefer 30. Step 5. Aim assist settings. Aim assist window size, 57. Aim assist strength, 100. Ease in projectile heroes, 70. Ease in hitscan heroes, 40. Ease in melee heroes, 10. Keep disable aim assist at max dead zone turned off. Optional. If you have a pro controller, try using a dynamic or aggressive sensitivity curve to fine-tune your settings. That's it, you now have the best aim assist settings in Marvel Rivals. If this helped you, consider leaving a like.